So you have a small leak in your bathroom. It's annoying, but it doesn't come in the way of you living your life, so you decide to ignore it. Here's what's going to happen. How small things escalate. At first, nothing seems different. The leak keeps dripping out of sight behind a cabinet or inside a drywall. But as days go by, moisture builds up and it has nowhere to go. So the wood begins to absorb it and slowly swells. The drywall softens. Metal fasteners start to corrode. None of this is visible yet, but the materials around the leak are already weakening. Weeks go by, followed by months. Your materials continue to weaken, but you can't see it, so you ignore. When moisture turns into mold. With enough time, that damp space becomes the perfect environment for mold to form and grow. It doesn't need standing water, just consistent moisture and limited airflow. At first, it grows where you can't see it. Inside wall cavities, under flooring, and behind those cabinets where you store your products. A few days later, you notice a musty smell. Maybe your cabinet base feels soft. It's easy to ignore these signs because they don't disrupt your life. But if they continue, things will only get worse. The thing about mold is, it doesn't stay contained. Once it starts, it spreads. And fixing it often means removing drywall, insulation, or flooring, not just repairing a pipe. This quickly adds up to your expense, and what could have been a simple fix ends up costing thousands. The hidden cost. While all of this is happening, the leak is also costing you money, drip by drip. A slow drip wastes far more water than most homeowners realize. Over time, that adds up to higher bills for water you never used in the first place. You don't have a clear explanation and end up blaming the water company for jacking up the bill. Many people only realize something's wrong when it's too late. Why small leaks don't stay small. Leaks are signs of wear and tear. Aging seals, corrosion, and pressure stress. If you ignore these, the wear will start to spread to the surrounding materials. And what could have been a straightforward fix turns into plumbing repairs, mold remediation, and even structural restoration, depending upon the severity of wear. None of this happened all of a sudden. It started with that one drop of water and slowly built up to an emergency. That's all for today. Do you have a small leak you're ignoring? Comment below.